What is up, my fellow gamers? This is the first episode of my Minecraft Epic YouTube channel. Just kidding, it's not Minecraft, because Minecraft is dumb. I mean, this episode is Minecraft. But if I made my entire YouTube channel around Minecraft, I would be dumb and stupid. Anyways, today I'm going to be playing some Minecraft, like an epic gamer. And so, as you can see, I have loaded up my Minecraft world. Excuse me, you're supposed to load up, you fat piece of garbage. Alright, there we go. It is loaded up. I have a sheep over here. This is all of its dead friends and some of the carcass of its skin that I have made into a nice looking house that I'm going to trap it in. Over here is my house. Please ignore the fact that there is a giant Russian flag over here. I do not care if this is not what the Russian flag looks like. It is what the Russian flag looks like to me. Over here, I have cats. They all kind of suck. Alright. Today, we are going to go mining. I love mining because I don't actually like mining. I haven't found any diamonds in this world yet, even though I've probably had over 20 hours on this particular Minecraft world. Anyways, let's go up here. Here is a nice savanna. Time to ruin it and terraform it, just like I did to all of the beautiful green hills of Greenland, where I live. I don't have nearly enough coal, but I do not care. I know how to mine. I have played Minecraft before. I have a Herobrine skin on so that people will fear me. This is a disgusting mine. Nah, it's actually not that disgusting of a mine. Okay, let's continue mining down. I hope I find some diamonds soon. If I do not find diamonds soon, I will be very sad. Now, an epic gamer thing that you can do is press some buttons on your keyboard, and whabam, this crazy coding shit comes up. It says my X, Y, and Z. I'm trying to get to 11, which is the only correct place to mine for diamonds. I hope I get there soon. Ah, damn it. Okay, I will continue placing torches down, like the true Minecraft legend I am. I'm only doing this because some girls in my class said it was a good idea. Oh wow, I found coal. Just what I was looking for. I hope I get internet famous from this video. If I do not achieve internet fame, my life will be worthless. What is worth in life without internet fame? What do you do if you are not internet famous? I personally enjoy being in a band. That's what I do with my not internet fame. But soon I will not have to worry about spending my days idly by, twiddling my thumbs like a sore loser. Instead, I will have all the internet fame I could ever have dreamed of. I just heard some spooky cave sounds. I don't know if Minecraft records audio or not, but I hope it does. I got this screen recorder for free 5 seconds ago, and I hope I didn't get a virus. If I did, it's worth it for this epic internet fame I will soon be getting. As I dig down, you can see that I'm completely unaware of what is about to befall me, which is nothing, obviously. Oh, what the hell. I forgot I had a shovel. Poor, pitiful me. Alright, let's continue to make some more torches. It is almost diamond time. When it is diamond time, I will be very happy. Just kidding. I am never happy, you should know that. I don't mean that in a Billie Eilish way. I mean that I'm not going to be satisfied even if I get material gain. Material gain means nothing to me in this world full of capitalism. That was also a joke. I don't care about capitalism or communism or any. Oh, I found iron. Cool. Whabam. And then another whabam. Did you know that my original first video for this YouTube channel was going to be me making a friend out of Play-Doh because I don't have any? Yeah, I scrapped that idea. It's about as trash as it sounded. I might make that video again soon though, cause why give up precious content? I am now at 11, or almost. Here we are. Sweet, sweet 11. Now I will continue to dig in this manner until I find diamonds, which is probably never. As soon as I find diamonds, my life will be complete. I will not have any other reason to exist on this plane, and I will slowly dissipate from existence. Oh my god, that was lava. I almost died. How not epic would it have been for a very epic gamer if I had made a stupid mistake like that. Oh wow, that's diamonds. I didn't even expect that. Well, now my life has no meaning. I will see you guys in the next video, if I can figure out how to end this video. What the hell? Okay, there we go. Goodbye.